What's up? What it do? What it is, man? Like Jake B. Casson, or aka Jakey Boy 901 is back with another video. But this time it's not fishing, not lifting weights. Shout out to 23 Penny. But I won something and I wanted to share it with you guys. So there was a release out on Saturday morning on the sneakers app, and I got very lucky. Let's just say I got super lucky. All the luck was on my side. I was super happy. It's the Travis Scott low 1's, or the Travis Scott 1's lows, or the low 1's Travis Scott's, whatever you want to call it. Let's go get this package. And another package. Alright, so this is not your ordinary unboxing. Finally got the shoes. I'm excited, and let's see what's inside. But anyways, let's see this boxing right here. I forgot what I ordered, and I forgot what it is. I'm trying to remember. Apple screen. As you guys probably didn't know by now, I do change Apple screens. All of them, whatever it is, iPads, all the Apple products. Bam, bam, bam. Ta-da! Alright, so we got the box. Original box. This is real, not fake. Here we go, opening it up. Bam! You got your Nike swoosh on top. You got the swoosh on the bottom. You could be either way, off the top. You got your pink paper Cactus Jack. You guys can see that. It's pretty dope. Alright. It's cool. Pink jacks. Got the pink ones. When I first open it up, what do I think? I expect the shoe. And dang. There's gonna be that many laces. So the shoe comes with 3 laces. You got your red laces, your black thick laces, your pink thick laces. The reason why I say they're thick is because they're the little round joints, and these are the flat ones, the black flat ones. So, alright, pretty dope. Got your Cactus Jack symbol in the back there. And you got one on the side on the swoosh. And yeah. Man, these lows are actually awesome, like for real. I tried so hard to get the high top ones, but you know how that went. Folks getting off the train and stuff, you know what I mean? Selling it with no box and stuff. But hey, I don't blame you, But anyway, you got your little suede up top, right here, this area right there. Alright. I feel like it's kind of suede on a mesh. No. Tell you, I don't know anything about these gents, but I could, you know what I mean? You got your backward swoosh right there. Overall, it's pretty cool. I might sell it, I might keep it, I don't know. It's a size 8. Size 8, y'all. So, here's your other side, the right side. So you got your Air Jordan logo on the back. Got the swoosh still, same way as the other pair. Got your Nike Air on the front tongue. And overall, it looks pretty good. So how would you rock these? Would you rock these with like shorts? Would you rock these with jeans? Like, heck, I don't even know. Look at this. Check this out. You got the Travis Scott inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the Travis Scott's insole. That's pretty awesome, yeah? And then you got your, if you look all the way in there, Cactus Jack in there too. You guys can see that. Pretty awesome, huh? But overall, I like these shoes. At first I said I was gonna sell them. I might still sell them. I don't know. I'm just very indecisive right now about these since I finally see it in person. Like they actually look pretty dead dope. Like for real. Check this out. Like for real. Probably hold on to them a little bit longer. I don't know. Probably wear them. I honestly don't know. So what should I do? Sell them? No? Keep them? Yeah. But yeah. There it is, folks. Let's get some detailed shots. You guys enjoyed that video of the Travis Scott Low 1's, and yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Just a small little review about the shoe and just the unboxing and all that. I've always wanted to do one, so since I cooked on these, so why not? Like, I copped these joints, and again, I got very lucky. Woke up at like 9 something and was on the sneaker app, entered the drawing. And then just pretty much waited until the time went out and it popped up and it said I got them. So again, I got lucky. There was no bots or anything like that. You guys enjoyed it? The shoe is awesome. I actually like them. I would probably end up keeping these and then rock it to the next Sneak Fest. So you guys follow Sneak Fest on Instagram to their next sneaker convention coming up here in Memphis, Tennessee, or maybe somewhere else, Nashville, Tennessee, or Atlanta, Georgia. I don't know, wherever they're planning on going, but you guys keep and follow on them, Sneak Fest on Instagram. Go and follow that Instagram, their Instagram, Sneak Fest. So the reason why I brought them up is because of shoes, sneakers, and all that, and I'll probably end up wearing these there, or I might just sell these. I don't know yet. Hit and subscribe that button for me, please. And hit the like, please. If you don't like this video, that's cool. You know, only way to make me better is to have haters. You know what I mean? Y'all stay tuned. Peace.